Hello everyone, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can know if someone passed you on OkCupid. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we will simply go ahead and start our video for that matter. So for that reason, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, access your mobile app in your phone itself, or you can go ahead, open up your Chrome browser and access your okcupid.com on the search bar and get in this home section. Make sure you have entered your profile information and logged in as well. Afterwards, for you to know, there is a privacy concern that if you unmatch someone or if you block them, blocking also will be considered as unmatched or passing that person. You won't get notified regarding that because this is the policy of OkCupid itself. So let's say I have liked this person. I'm gonna go to my liked section over here in this heart icon, tap on this you like. Now I get to the profiles that I have liked, right? I'm gonna tap on that particular profile and I will tap on this cross icon given beside, tap on this yes pass, and I will be able to pass that person, and that person won't get notified regarding that. They will just get notified regarding the likes that they have received. And this is for the privacy for both of you, because there will be one way or another you will have a opportunity to do that passing options to try on that will come along as well, and you will be glad that they don't get notified. So this is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.